from Ripples, and today we're going to talk to you about the cocktail foamy basics. The Ripple Maker only works with foamy cocktails. We recommend creating foam with a variety of different ways, with fresh espresso, an egg white, wonderfoam, or aquafaba. Today we will be using aquafaba to create our cocktails. Some equipment you will need is your shaker and a extra fine sieve to get the ultra fine smooth bubbles. $50 ml kettle one. $25 lime or lemon. $20 monine, passion fruit. And 50 pineapple. Don't forget your aquafaba. I'm using 25 ml. I recommend first doing a dry shake and then a wet shake to get the finest foam possible. Don't forget to double strain and keep the strainer as close to the cocktail as possible. Place the cocktail on the center of the Ripples logo and tap the design you wish to print. If you're using a larger cocktail glass, you can remove the riser and replace the rubber mat. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with.